That's a bee on my camera in my car. This is not an animal you want to have. Well, you don't really want to have any kind of wild animals in your car, but it's actually one of about 5 that were in here. That's another bee. And the reason why they were here is because, well, actually, let me show you how they got in the car. Yo, what's going on? We're here today at Parque Ascension, and I'm here because Terrence invited me over to check out their seaweed cleaning. There's a lot of seaweed being drifting around this area of the island, and Terrence, together with, well, Kayaking In Curacao, the NGO that is responsible for a lot of these park and green areas, are doing a cleanup here today. And he has invited me to take some photos and make some videos, so let's see what's up. Terrence.
On the back.
Plastic?
Yeah.
But these used to be covered in plastic.
You can walk from one side to the other.
Hey, this is my friend Terrence.
What's up?
And you have the people over there doing the cleanup. Terrence, why don't you introduce yourself and tell us a bit more of what's going on here with you and Unique.
Alright, yeah, as you may or may not know, I'm one of the rangers at Unique, and I am also the project coordinator. Right now, this moment, we're cleaning up the sargassum seaweed that has come in to this estuary, and it's basically blocking and creating a lot of problems for the environment. For a very long time, this was known as plastic bay or plastic bay. You could walk from one side to the other over plastic and not get your feet wet.
Oh, you guys have done a great job, because if you see that there's still plastic remaining, but it's not as much. Now you have to swim to get to the other side.
Exactly. But the plastic that you see here, it just keeps coming in. This is cleaned a minimum of once a week, sometimes twice. But that's just to tell you, to show the scale of how much ocean plastic there is.
Well, it's a world phenomenon, and Curacao is just one of the affected islands and places in the world that we're seeing. All right, cool. So now let's just show you what's going on here. So this is what kills all the beautiful turtles that we see and we love and enjoy seeing on Instagram, and all that, especially bags, right? Because then they confuse
the jellyfish.
They mistaken them for jellyfish, and then they eat it and suffer a very horrible death.
And if you look at a lot of the plastic here, you can notice like they have little bite marks. And this gets in their digestive system and slowly die of starvation, even though they can't eat anymore because their stomachs are just full of them.
And I think what a lot of people don't realize is that we ourselves are victims of this
Exactly.
microplastic, because the fish consume it, it's in their
system.
and then we go fish, we get those fishes, and then we consume them, we
Exactly.
eat them, and then we end up with plastic in our stomachs as well.
Or at least the chemicals, therefore.
The chemicals, yeah.
As you can see back there, you see a lot of dead mangroves. And the idea is to, when we get the plastic out, you just basically consolidate the whole area and plant new ones. And this is our little experimental area.
Let's fly first.
Okay.
Let's fly first and then we'll get in the water. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but. Yeah, this water doesn't smell too good. It's very pretty and all, but yeah, you look pretty big on that kayak. It looks like a kid's kayak, you know, like a toy kayak. Terrence, thanks a lot, man.
Yeah.
This was very nice. One remark though is that this place is full of bees. Oh shit, that's nice. That's a very nice painting. Alright, I'm back home. I'm gonna get ready, gonna shower, have lunch, and then head to the office for the rest of the day because I got a lot to do. See you on the next episode or something. Whatever. I had a bee in my shoe that stung me. Here it is. Here's the evidence.